Welcome to my first video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you some tips for drawing dark beings such as demons, dragons or ghosts. Let's begin. First, I would like to divide these creatures into 4 different categories: Humanoid, Anthro, Feral, and Mutations. I think I made up these categories, but I find it useful to separate them in these groups because I feel like each category gives off a different feeling. Humanoids. Humanoids, as the word says, are monsters that are more human-like, so their anatomy will usually be that of a human. In this category, we can find beings such as demons, succubus, ghosts, or the undead. To draw this type of monsters, first draw a human body. Try to draw it using simple shapes as I'm doing in the video. This way, you can make sure the proportions are alright before jumping into the tail, and as the eye is easier to draw, you can figure out better how it will look afterwards. Finally, you just need to be careful of the details, such as the tail that usually comes just above the butt, or the horns that should normally come out of the upper part of the head, above each ear. Anthro. In this category, we can find creatures like werewolves, gorgons, or harpies. They have a really human-like anatomy, but it is mixed with that of an animal. The most difficult part is drawing the invented anatomy, but you can make it easier by simplifying and comparing them to something you already understand. Here you can see an example of how I simplified anthro legs, seeing them as those of someone on jumping stilts in order to better understand them. If you really want to master drawing this type of monsters, I highly recommend you to study both animal and human anatomy, and finding tricks like the one I just said. Feral. In this category, you can find creatures like dragons, gargoyles, or the beast of Yubadan. For this, you'll need to know animal anatomy, especially that of quadrupeds. It can be hard to draw them, so I recommend you simplify the anatomy like I'm doing here. It is pretty much the same as simplifying human anatomy, with the most important parts being the head, the chest, the pelvis, and the extremities. So if you learn with humans, it will be easier to do it in animals, and the other way around. Remember, you can exaggerate their anatomy and facial features to give them different personalities. Mutations. Finally, mutations. In this category, I can't really name specific creatures because what I usually do is find different things I like and find scary and mix them. You can choose anything from animals to objects or simple ideas or concepts. You can make them cute too if you want. Just do the same without scary objects and making their anatomy rounded. Sadly, this is all I can say of each category without spending 3 months on each. Hope this was useful somehow. If you want more in-detail tutorials, please make sure to give a like or subscribe. Go and have fun making dark beans. See ya next time!